Part 2 ng video ko. We will eat breakfast first, no? So I'll start deleting some of my videos. I'll delete the old ones kasi napupuno na rin ang aking cellphone ko po. My memory is full na. No. Yeah, me too. I will taberu. I will taberu. Okay.
Pag may snack, bilang ko na to ah.
Oh, another roller coaster. Oh my God, yan ang mas mahirap. The mommy. Ako, the mommy ride. Okay, so I'll turn off my video kasi puno na rin yung phone ko. And I'll see you in the next episode.